Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the Azure Latch is powered and synced. This ensures reliable mechanical timing. Step into a balanced stance, shoulders square, and grip neutral so the latch movement transfers cleanly into your volley. Once synced, position the ball at about 1-2 meters and take a small forward step. This forward weight shift lets the latch assist the racket face through impact. Make sure the device LED indicates ready, so the timing window aligns with your natural swing. As you initiate the swing, keep the racket face slightly open to create a margin for the latch to close it decisively. This prevents overcorrection. Coordinate your shoulder rotation with the Azure Latch. Start the torso drive first, then let the latch trigger at the point of contact so energy transfers smoothly. Maintain a firm wrist to stabilize the face rather than trying to snap. This preserves trajectory control. If timing feels off, shorten the backswing and repeat until release matches your contact instant. Finish the volley with a controlled low-to-high follow-through aimed at your target. This uses the latch-driven acceleration to add spin and depth. Once done, hold the racket briefly to verify the latch reset. A smooth reset indicates proper sequence. If shots slice or punch, recalibrate the latch timing by small 10-millisecond adjustments and test short repetitions. And if the latch feels sticky, power down, inspect for debris, and confirm battery and firmware are current before returning to full speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.